Hey guys, Dan here from Decolo 3D Prints. Gonna jump right in with an install video in real time for the Rigid ProGear 2.0 8-inch collapsible shelf. First thing we're going to do is take the mounting brackets and push them into their crevices. It's a tight fit on purpose, so you might have to push hard. Then, we'll use an impact set to low to drive the screws in and lock in place. Give it a nice wiggle and we're good to go. I'm showing the extension brackets, T for top, B for bottom. However, this is only for the extended riser rigid boxes. The normal brackets will work with all other boxes, and this add-on is included with all orders. Slide and swing on the metal bar first, then push down till you hear the nice snap. Now, you could insert them before you insert the primary brackets, but the snap for good measure tells us that it's locked in. Next, unscrew the M5 by 25mm bolts holding the M5 nuts in place during shipping, making sure not to drop the nuts out of their slots. Pull out the M5 screws. Now, grab the brackets attached to the already seated shelf and pull out the bracket support stays. You can now insert the M5 screws into at least two of the holes and slide them into the 8-inch bracket mount. Carefully hand thread the M5 screws through the metal hanger and into the nuts seated inside the rigid bracket. Now, use an Allen wrench to tighten them up, and you should be good to go. For anything else, other cool tool ideas, or just generic input, feel free to comment below, like, subscribe, and keep on bringing your ideas to life.